In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most magnificent. Study the universe, sun, moon, stars, galaxies, organic and inorganic systems, beauty, perfection, design in the living beings, human beings, plants, animals, birds, and fish. Study, ponder, reflect, meditate, look at scientific evidence, the modern research, the universe's miraculous beginning, the impossible precision of creation, the mathematical miracles in the Holy Quran, the DNA information library, the book of life inside every human cell. The eyes more amazing than telescopes, the heart a tireless engine, the hands more sensitive than scientific instruments, the brain superior to all technology with billions of nerve cells forming trillions of precise connections for thought, memory, and movement, the earth perfect life support system, a perfectly tuned machine where the atmosphere, the orbits, the speed, the velocity, the distance, the water cycle, the magnetic field, the ozone layer, the oxygen-nitrogen combination, and dozens of systems work together in precise coordination to sustain all forms of life. Is this all a random game of chance, or an intelligent, loving designer and creator? Study the scientific evidence. In order to make a creation, the origin, the design, the purpose, the beauty, the complexity, the scientific precision, the instruction set, the guidance and perfection comes from Almighty Allah. The Holy Quran, chapter 41, verse 53, soon we will show them our signs in the horizons and within themselves until it becomes clear to them that this is the truth. The Holy Quran, chapter 67, verse 3, you will never see any imperfection in the creation of the most merciful, Almighty